Hello there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments for your Shopify account. So as you can see right now, I'm currently on my Shopify web store. I'm just going to click on settings right here, lower left, and it will appear on this section. I'm just going to look for payments. There you go. Now, basically this is how my payment setup will be. I can simply choose a provider for payment providers. I have supported payment methods. I have manual payment methods and also payment customization. I also have payment capture method right here. So basically, this is the part or this is the platform where I set up my payments for my Shopify web store. If I click choose a provider right there, I have different providers to choose from my American Express to Visa. I have this guys right here. And then if I go back, I can choose the payment methods I can set up. I have search by payment methods or search by provider. I can simply choose anything here to set it up. After setting everything, choosing your third-party providers, your payment method supported characters, click on save. Make sure you manage here to manually authorize payment, and of course, any changes here should be saved. And that's how you set up payments on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.